up, guys? You know who it is right here, and this is my part 3. And see, you actually can see it better. Like there's like that, and then so yeah, pretty much I've been here with people. They are so loud. Look at that there. That is a lot of people. Look up. Yeah, a lot of people. So hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my Infinity Squad, and to my friends and specialty. I'm a member of Delirious, of H2O Delirious, and what? Whatever. Just leave it. And so this is pretty much on the bus. Happens every day. Everybody's so loud, and it's just horrible. It's like my haunted daycare. You can actually see everybody back there. So yeah, there's like 101 because the bus is called 101. So yeah, and we're just going around. We're gonna go be to my haunted daycare. Woo. And so
good too.
you guys, we're gonna get a leg spike in 5, 4. Count down with me.
No.
3. Easton, count down with me. Count down with me. Okay, start from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like spike! Hit that like button, guys. And okay, so scrap, yeah,